Hey guys, John here with Luxe. I'm going to go ahead and tint out the side markers on our 2015 Challenger Hellcat here. We just finished wrapping it, this red-black chameleon. It's a two-tone. It's going to look awesome. If you're going to We Are Mopar 2018, you'll see it there. We're going to start out and look for the correct piece. This is the driver's side front. This is very, very easy. This is a dry application vinyl, so we're not going to wet anything. All we're going to do is put and position the kit to where it's covering the whole lens. It's gonna fully wrap over the lens, so you don't wanna see any orange over here, or you're gonna end up with extra material over here you'll have to deal with. So you'll see how easy that was for me to apply down. It really is almost finished. You're gonna have to have a heat source. I'm gonna use a torch for this video because the only heat gun I have is really loud. You're gonna need the heat because the tint fully wraps around the lens. You're gonna need to soften it, especially if it's an FX film like the carbon fiber I'm working with now. You've got to soften it so that you can get it to wrap fully. A hairdryer may not be enough. It'd have to be a very hot one. A heat gun is recommended. Of course, if you're comfortable with the torch, you can definitely use a torch. It is a cast vinyl. It will take quite a bit of heat. You're not going to mess it up. There you go. That's as easy as it is to install the side markers on the Challenger with the Luxe Auto Concepts kit. Thanks.